If you decide to take on this plumbing job, then make sure the main water to the whole house is off. If you are not comfortable with working with plumbing, maybe you should call a professional or somebody who knows what they're doing.
I got a Kohler. This is a nice one too. And make sure the water's off. I think I turned it off from the bottom. You gotta let the whole house drain. And it would be nice to open a faucet in downstairs, just so I could drain more of the upstairs. I screw it in from underneath. This is this washer here. It's new water. Gets past there. I gotta screw it in right here. Alright. So I just need to disconnect this. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. It's always hot this side, cold right side. If it's too small, I normally use, they have like bells, I call them, kind of like wrenches like this. You can slide on, disconnect this and slide it on, and if your wrench can't fit, when you're righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, left, it's always from the top. And gas is left, it's tightening it. See the bolts moving left, gas would be tightening. But in this case, it's not gas. Oh, come on. I have to loosen the code. Disconnected that, the bolts. Take everything out. Clean it up a little bit. And then put the new one in. Oh boy. It's got a little notch. Just keep spinning it till it clicks. I gotta make sure the Kohler sign is up front. Okay, it swings right here. Make sure Kohler's up front. Just spin this on. I really like this one. You can look on the back of any faucet that you buy, but I like this one because you screw it on just enough to not spin the whole faucet around, and you can just screw it to make it tight. I'll still screw it in like this, but then after I can look up top, screw it tight enough so the faucet won't move, and then I just take my drill and it kind of separates the ring. It puts pressure that way. It's a one-man job, and I don't have anybody else. I don't need nobody else. So the hot is located, cold goes on the right all the time, and the hot is on the left. So I just do that, make sure it's clean. You don't want nothing messing with this washer. And then I'll snug it up just to crimp the washer a little bit. And just until there's resistance.